Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY last minute gift idea. So this one is so fast and easy, and we're just going to be making some little fridge magnets. So I'm making these using some little wooden pegs, and you can decorate the pegs however you want. You could add pattern paper. I'm just painting mine gold. And these are going to be used to hold photos and like little loose bits of paper up on the fridge. So after I painted my pegs, I also took some StazOn ink and I just stamped some phrases along the pegs. I just thought this would be kind of fun when you're switching out photos and stuff and hanging them up on the fridge to have a cute little phrase. Next, you need to take some magnets. The ones that I have are super strong, and I'm using some E6000 glue to attach these onto the pegs, and I'm just going to allow them to dry completely before I go ahead and pack these together. So to package these, I'm just going to clip them onto a scrap of paper. This is just such a cute gift to give someone like Nana or Grandpa, and to make it feel more substantial if you want to, you could always clip on some extra goodies. You could clip on some photos, a note, a card, an envelope with money in it. You can clip on whatever else you want to make it feel like a more substantial gift, or you could just give them as is. I know this is something that my grandparents would use and appreciate as a little gift, and it's something really easy that you can do with kids. Another variation of this gift is just to take some really strong magnets and to glue them onto a lightweight picture frame. That way you have a little fridge magnet that you can switch out. You can switch the photo out whenever you want, and you could always decorate the frame or repurpose the frame to make it more personal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little gift idea, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.